Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm here again with a new screen recording software, and this is 100% free, powerful software. It allows you to record full HD as well as 2K in plenty of formats such as MKV and mp4. And the good thing about it is it has no watermarks when you export the video. It also allows you to record your voice during the video recording of your screen and many other benefits. It also allows streaming for gamers. So let's go ahead and start the tutorial. To start, you want to go to the web browser that you have in your PC, and in my case I have Google Chrome, so I'm gonna go to Google and search for OBS download and click on OBS download, and you'll see the first link here which relates to the official website of this recording software, and I'm going to link it into the description. And in this page you'll see many versions which are compatible with Apple as well as Linux and Windows. And in my case I have a Windows 10 64-bit, so I'll choose this option. But if you have a 32-bit Windows 10, you want to choose this option. So let's go and hit here and wait for the download to finish. Once the download is done, you can either click on this button or go find this file into the downloads folder in your Windows. So I'll just click on it here and give it the authorization for installing. Click yes, and let's minimize this because I don't need it anymore. Now we have the installation wizard. Click next, and then install. You want to leave the tick the same because once we click finish, the software will launch. In this window you have two options that you can choose. You can either choose optimize for streaming if you are a gamer who wants to stream gaming from platforms such as Twitch, but in this demonstration I'm only going to show you how to record your screen. So you want to go and choose the second option. Click next, and in this page you want to choose the resolution of the video that you want to record. In my case I have a 2K display, a 2K monitor, so I'll choose this option. But if you have a full HD monitor, you can leave it by default and choose this option. And in here you want to choose the FPS, and I will choose 60 because I like 60 more. Click next and apply setting. And now you want to go to file and settings, and this is where you can change the format of the exported file, and you can have these formats. It's also recommended by the developers of this software that you choose MKV. So I'm just gonna choose MKV, and later on I'm gonna show you how to convert from MKV to mp4 in order for you to use this video for like YouTube or any other editing software. And if you go to video, you can choose and change the resolution here again and choose the FPS as well. Let's click OK. And now I'm going to show you how to record your screen as well as record your voice and let you speak during the recording. You want to go to this plus symbol and go click on display capture, create new and click OK. And in here you'll see an option that will ask you to choose the display that you want. If you have multiple displays, I have 2 displays, so I'm gonna choose my first display, which is the 2K monitor. Click on it, and if you want the mouse cursor to show up during the recording, leave the tick, and if you want to hide it, just remove the tick and then click OK. And now you'll see this red frame that allows you to choose which corner that you want your recording to be captured from. So if you don't want to show your whole screen, just move this and drag it and choose exactly which part of the screen you want to record. In this demonstration, I want to record the full screen, so I'll just drag this here and margin it to the fit margins. And now that this is done, now you want to go back to the plus symbol again and click on plus and choose audio input capture, which will allow you to record your voice during the video recording. Click on create new and click OK. And in here you can choose the microphone that you have in your PC. In my scenario, I have the HyperX microphone, so I'll choose this option. Depending on the device that you have, the mic that you have, you can choose the option from here. And then you want to click on OK. To record your screen, this is the button that will let you start recording. Click on it, and you can also click pause if you want to pause the recording, and click on it again to continue recording. And once you're done with the recording, go back to the software's page and click on stop recording. To find the recorded video, go to the file explorer and click on videos, and here is the video that have been recorded, and it is in MKV format. To convert this video to mp4, go to file and Remix recordings, and then go to the file again and just drag it and drop it here. And this is where it shows you that the file will be converted to mp4. Just click on Remix and the file have been successfully converted. Click OK. To double check, go to the converted file, click on properties, and it will show you that the file is in mp4 format.